What's up, everybody? We had another awesome trading day today. It's the 1st of July, so first trading day of the month. It was really, really awesome. I'm just going to real quick break down everything that we took today. So, first play that I took was QQQ puts at 9:32 a.m. Literally right off the bat. It was right on this candle was when I sent out the alert on voice. We caught it right here, so there's a little bit of a delay, but nevertheless we still caught the move. So I entered initially off the buy side liquidity level. So I want to show you guys two things that I use. Obviously I want to have some confluence whenever I'm taking my trades, so I want to show you what was the confluence factor today. So today, where's the open at? Right here is the open. So when we opened up today, this is what it looked like. We opened up right at our EMAs, so this was the open down here, and we got to move up right to EMAs, right? Using our EMA strategy, we're going to short at these magnets, because while we're under, we're going to take all opportunities to our EMAs as selling or shorting opportunities, right? And this lined up with my buy side liquidity level that I had here, right? So we know that liquidity is resting just above these highs from these equal highs that we made over here. You guys can see that. So took a short right there, and obviously once we sweep buy side liquidity, pretty good sign that we're headed for your previous accumulation zone, which is going to be your sell side liquidity area, right? Which was these lows here. So we go down, obviously go hit our target, and that was a 75% trade right there. All right. And then we switched over to call side, which I alerted right around 9:40. So that's going to be right around here towards the end of this candle. We alerted those because of this fair value gap that we had right here, right? Granted, this was before a structure break actually occurred, but you could have gotten early entries here and then your second entries up here. But we got in, I believe it was right around this candle right here, and took calls around this area in the fair value gap. We had two targets to the upside. First one being this high right here, right? So that's our first target, and then our second target was these equal highs here. Or you could have went down a little bit and used these equal highs. Either way, either one would have worked. So we had two upside targets. We break buy side liquidity levels, and then we create another fair value gap here. So this was a potential add or a re-entry or whatever you wanted over here. So we created this fair value gap, dip into it, continue on upwards, right? And then finally we hit our last target, and that happened to be the top right there. All right, after that, I did not take any other plays besides calls down here. And the only reason I took calls down here was because I knew we had some good structure around this area. You can see these lows here, right? And then this low here. So we had some good structure in this general area. So, which is why I took these calls. Ended up actually stopping out of them because I just wanted to be done for the day and not give back any profits. But if we held on to those for a little bit longer, that would have been a really solid over 100% trade. But besides that, those were all the trades that I took for today. There were a couple other good opportunities that popped up, but we tried to be done within the first hour or so. The whole goal is to be away from the desk, not sit at it for even longer. So yeah, that was today's day, and ready to have a great 4th of July and kill it next week. Peace out, everybody.